Hello guys, are you tired of searching SAP errors and SAP answers again and again in Google documents, forms, and still confused? So here is the problem. As a consultant or a developer, you know how frustrating it is, right? So as a consultant, there is a debugging ABAP issues, understand EWM configurations, fixing SAP S4HANA errors, and searching OSS note for an hours. Here is the solution. What if I tell you you can get instant SAP answers in a second? So there is an AI powered SAP assistant that understand S4HANA, ABAP, any modules, EWM's warehouse management, material management, finance, sales and distributions, production planning, BTP, theory. Here all in one place. Okay, just ask your questions and get clear practical answer instantly. There is no confusion, no wasting time, and no endless searchings. This tool is designed for SAP consultant developers and beginner to solve real problem fast. So, if you want link, put SAP in comments. I will provide you the link. Okay. Thank you. Thank you so much.